The conservation of native plants is very important to ensuring sustainability for our whole biosphere. Native plants help their environment maintain homeostasis, the space certain plants need to grow, the sunlight required, the precipitation needed, and many more factors play into what makes some plants native and, therefore, better suited for a particular location. Today we'll be discussing the importance of maintaining these native populations and the negative impacts of neglecting this responsibility. We'll start off with the basic stuff. Native plants are, by name, plants that originated and flourished in a particular location that they are native to. For example, most cacti are native to the more desert-like parts of the Americas, like Utah and Western Canada. Contrastingly, cattails are native to freshwater wetlands found all around the world. Neither one of these plants would survive very well if they were to switch habitats. As seen here, the cattails would quickly dry out due to lack of water, and the cacti would quickly become overhydrated, causing them to die. This is one example of the importance of keeping native plants in the area to which they naturally occur. When gardening or landscaping, many people tend to import or plant foreign plants in order to achieve a desired aesthetic. While this can make a lawn look nice, it can also put a strain on the imported and native plants because of a lack or abundance of resources. This strain is often seen more on the native plants that surround the imported foreign one. Typically, the foreign plant takes up too much of the resources in order to adjust to the new habitat, leaving the native plants needing and hurting. This course of events can often lead to the imported plants becoming an invasive species. This is especially common when the foreign plant releases seeds and comes from an environment similar to the one it is transplanted into. With similar environments, this means that the plant will survive, seeds can disperse, and the plant will be able to multiply and grow in new places, taking up the resources usually available to the native plants in their new location. Eventually, native plants' populations will dwindle due to being cut off from their resources by the invasive species, while the invasive species will become abundant. The ecosystems will then become damaged due to decreasing biodiversity and a more unstable, unhealthy ecosystem. Native plants are the lifeblood to any and all ecosystems around the world. As beings on this earth, it is our responsibility to be conscious of the effects we have on it. We should plant and appreciate native plants in our landscaping rather than import foreign species. We should be aware of the negative effects that invasive species can have on plants that call a particular location home. With a little bit of help from a lot of people, we can give back to the earth that has given us so much. So, the next time you think about creating a garden, planning a landscaping design, or even just having a plant in your room, consider welcoming a plant that can feel just as at home as you do.